In today's business environment, one thing doesn't seem to change. Spreadsheets are everywhere and they're used for many purposes. However, whenever an organization needs to share tools like spreadsheets across a large workforce, things can rapidly become chaotic. In the past, the only answer was to share Excel files with team members via email or network drives, relying on local hardware for processing and data storage. This approach lacks document version control and potentially exposes sensitive corporate knowledge and intellectual property embedded in your spreadsheets to the competition. With EASA, all of that has changed. Our low-code environment allows a user to quickly deploy spreadsheets as secure web applications, which are easily accessible from either desktop or mobile devices. Our simple Excel wizard makes it easy to create a web app using your template spreadsheet as a logic engine, even if it contains macros in VBA. Simply define which parts of your spreadsheet you want users to interact with, and EASA builds a web app ready to be tested and deployed to your users. During the process, your spreadsheet is uploaded to a secure server, on-premises or in the cloud. Your spreadsheet remains as a logic engine for your newly created web app, so updating your app is as easy as updating a spreadsheet. This is also the reason you can deploy spreadsheets with macros and VBA with EASA. You can rest assured that a single version of the spreadsheet processes all incoming user data in a secure environment with zero exposure of code or proprietary algorithms. EASA also load balances the Excel processing, enabling deployment of your apps to hundreds or thousands of users. Adding another powerful dimension, each user's input data and output data is stored in a relational database for easy access and reporting. Gone are the days of searching for critical company data in thousands of spreadsheet instances stored in hundreds of local drives. EASA also offers the ability to expose your spreadsheets as a web service. Once converted to the service, key functionality can be seamlessly integrated into existing website interfaces or cloud platforms such as Salesforce or SharePoint. If you're ready to take back control over your data and radically simplify the tools you provide your workforce, look to EASA for all of your solutions. Streamline your process. Accelerate your business. EASA.